James Hickey here with SD. I'll have to crop this out. Hello, everyone. James Hickey here at SD Entrepreneur on all social channels. I'm the founder of JMH Marketing Group. I started that in 2008. And then I also started SD Networking Events in 2021. And those are my two companies. And what I came across was some great software tools for AI, because that's what everyone's living on now. And I put together a nice little package here, and I'm going to go over it with you. And what we're going to cover here today is what is AEO Search? What is AEO? Answer Engine Optimization explained. I'm going to cover it. The Search Atlas platform, the Atlas Brain, the AI SEO agent, the services offered. We've got some do-it-yourself. You can do all this yourself. You don't need me, or you may need me. So the pricing on this is $99 for a month, or if you want me to manage it, it's an additional $900. So it's $999, under $1,000. And I'm going to cover why AEO matters and the next step in getting started, what it's going to take. So what is AEO Search Hub? It's a central gateway for businesses and marketers to dominate AI-driven search results. This combination of these tools and me handling it was created by me, James Hickey, JMH Marketing Group, and it's powered by Search Atlas. It's an AEO search platform with 60 plus tools in it. So I'm going to get into more of that. And it's designed for do-it-yourself users who want to use this software and to manage your business. There's 60 plus SEO tools in here. If you were to buy a lot of these separately, everything would be about $5,000. It's $99 a month. You can spend that on dinner, especially downtown here in San Diego. And you actually have a conversational SEO agent, so you talk with it. It's absolutely insane. I love this package. So what is AEO? Answer Engine Optimization. It's also called AI SEO. So yesterday, in the past, and I've been very strong on SEO since I started in this space, you'd search on Google, you'd get the paid ads, and then you'd maybe have the maps if you put in the name of a city underneath it, and then you'd have the top 10 blue links, a top 10 ranking. Well, my friends, that has gone away. Now what happens when you search, what comes up on, or if you're using ChatGPT to search, or Perplexity, or Bing Copilot, or AI, they deliver the answers first. And I'm going to touch on that a little bit more. So what I've understood, and from my friend Perry Belcher pointed it out when I was at the Growth Summit, 60% of answers are now answered by AI in a Google search or in a Bing search. The AI answer comes up first. And most people aren't even going to look at the top 10 anymore. And the future of search is all going to be with AI answers. It's this top 10 thing on the left here, it's fading away. So what we get here in the Atlas platform is 60 plus tools. AI-driven keyword research, AI-generated content generation, AI link building. It's amazing. Reporting and analytics. I'm a numbers and reporting geek. I have some screenshots I'll show you here in a little bit. You can manage your social media across all the platforms and handle your email marketing. So I'm going to show you an example here. Now, six months ago, when I started with this, I wasn't ranking in AI search results for SD networking events. So after 3 months, I started ranking really high. And now, after 3 months, using these tools, I wanted to, be the case study for myself first before I offered it to others. And then now, 6 months into it, I'm just dominating. So this is a result from a couple days ago. So if you're searching what is the best business networking group in Google, the AI answer comes up, and I'm number one. And then I did it also on Copilot, and I did it on some other platforms as well. They come up differently on each one, how the AI answers, but I'm definitely the first number one here. Ocean Beach Networking Group's a cool little networking group, but it's very small and it just meets for coffee and OB. The Tip of Greater San Diego has been around for years. I was in La Jolla La Tip for many years as well. Those are great, but they aren't business networking groups like the level of SD networking. And the University Club, where I host 4 of my events per year. I host my expo events. So you can see how on these searches, I was not ranking on here, and now on all the platforms, I'm dominating. So this was from 3 months ago. So when I started, I was super excited. I'm like, wow, look at me now. My visibility, I'm coming up on different topics on ChatGPT, and Grok's picking me up, and the Google AI mode, Copilot, Microsoft, Perplexities, and it's just these 2 are the same. I don't see Claude on here. I'm gonna have to check on that. But my sentiment is going up on the sites. So now fast forward to yesterday, I did this screenshot and I am just slaying it. Now on ChatGPT, I have 80%. All my numbers are continually going up and up and up. I am very competitive, so I want 90 or 100% on all of these, and I will get there. But it takes some work. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't rocket science, but it does take some work. So these are some great numbers showing you the growth that I've had using it. And I figure if it can work for me, I can do it for anybody. So back to the software. It's got a brain. Atlas Brain is what they call it. And you can just jump in there each day and say, what should I do today? What do I need work on? You have your own SEO agent working for you. It's conversational. It talks back to you. So you got a conversational workflow. The automation is automated execution. It sets up these campaigns. They run automatically. There's no other manual steps. The insights, the tools, results, it's just fantastic. And then inside of the Atlas program here as well, you get your SEO package, and it's not just SEO. It's the social media management. You can email campaigns, content, blogs, articles, press releases. You connect your Google AdWords to it. It sets up a targeted pay-per-click campaign. I've been running Google AdWords for 15 years. I consider myself an expert at it. I put this into mine, Google AdWords with SD networking events, and it was doing some things and tools and tricks that I didn't know, and I thought I was good. But sometimes you got to leverage what's out there. And then you can even dig deeper and do some web design and the development. This is all within this package. So basically, it's $99 a month. That's what I pay. And you get the 60 tools. If you were to pay for a lot of these things separately, they're estimated at $5,000 value. You can do a free trial for a week. Be honest with you, that's great. You can look at it for a week to see if it's something that you want to do. That's what I would say. Jump on the free trial. Try it for a week. And then you're going to have to keep it going to see the kind of results that I have. Like I said, 3 months, 6 months, it takes some time, but you can track it very quickly. Now, if you get to this point and you're like, all right, James, this is great. This is a great tool, but I don't have the time to do this. I don't understand it. It's not for the weak at heart. You have to be somewhat tech savvy. You just can't know how to do Facebook Reels and posts or something. You've got to have a little bit of digital skills, or a lot of digital skills, actually. So what I figured is, if you get it, but you don't want to manage it yourself, I have it done for you. So for $900, we'll try it for 3 months. Because in 3 months, I can show results that are getting done, and you will have your business ranking on AI search results. Now, remember, there is a lot of businesses. You could be a realtor, a mortgage broker, or a dentist, doctor, health coach. If someone's searching for a best health coach San Diego, best dentist San Diego, you want to show up in the AI results. And this is what these tools get you there. So the next step is you can join for here, and then if you need help, you schedule a Zoom with me, and we can set up a 3-month trial, $900 a month. You're going to pay under $1,000 to absolutely dominate in the AI space. And the AI overviews are the new result on Google. ChatGPT and Perplexity, they are search engines now. So you've got to rank on these. You're going to get left behind if you don't do this. I did not get left behind. I took charge and dominating. Zero click is the norm. Users get their answers from AI without even visiting websites. It's insane. And early movers will win on this. So this is your next step. There will be a link on this video, and I have a QR code coming up. You'll know what to do with that. Try the free trial for 7 days. See what it takes. Do it yourself. I'm all for you there. You can run it yourself. And then after it, if you explore all the tools and you feel this is way too much work for you, but you're confident and know you need to do that, reach out to me, book a Zoom meeting, and then you can hand over this whole project, and me and my team will take care of it. So I don't need to tell you what to do right now, because you just got to scan the QR code. And there will be links on this video as well. So if you're on your phone right now watching this, there will be a link, because I know it's kind of hard to scan it when you're on your phone. So that's enough of me for babbling fun. I'm wearing my Marketing All Day t-shirt. It's a brand that I'm helping my buddy run. It's everything what you do all day. So I am marketing all day. So thank you for your time. And I look forward to engaging. If you, even before the $99, if you want to get on a Zoom call with me, there's a link to book a Zoom call, and I can go a little deeper into this. But this is just a quick explainer video of a new project I've taken on over the last 6 months. And as I mentioned before, I'm slaying it with SD networking events, and I want to help you and your business dominate in AI search results. I know it works. Thank you, guys. Bye.